the Notre of Maryland University Hybrid Accelerated Second Degree BSN Learning Site in Elkridge, where you'll undergo the hands-on portion in addition to clinicals of your ABSN education and apply your skills in a real-world environment. On-site skills lab. Develop hands-on experience in a lab that mimics a hospital setting. Work with instructors to gain hands-on nursing skills practice using high-tech mannequins that realistically simulate a wide variety of functions. Simulation lab. Officially try on the role of nurse and all it entails. Problem solving, collaborating, and thinking on your feet without the risk of harming a patient. Practice and use state-of-the-art clinical equipment in our simulation rooms to understand the expectations of a nurse in the field. Here, you'll work through different scenarios and react to the controlled symptoms of a mannequin, as well as your classmates who may be playing roles. Conference rooms. Meet and work together with faculty and members of your nursing school cohort to debrief your simulation lab scenarios and reflect on the experience. Learn from your mistakes in a judgment-free environment. Student lockers. Stow personal items while you're hard at work in labs or completing online coursework. The NDMU Hybrid Accelerated Second Degree BSN program. Grow into a caring, compassionate, and capable nurse poised to enter the field in as few as 15 months. Search ABSN at NDMU to schedule an appointment with an admissions counselor.